The world is changing faster than ever, and right now, artificial intelligence is at the center of that transformation. What used to take hours, days, or even weeks can now be done in minutes using powerful AI tools. Whether you're a student, creator, business owner, or just someone curious about the future, there are AI tools available today that can completely change how you work, think, and create. And the best part, many of them are accessible right now. Let's start with one of the most powerful and widely used AI tools to date, ChatGPT. This tool has become the backbone of modern AI usage. You can use it to write content, generate ideas, solve problems, learn new skills, or even code entire applications. What makes it so powerful is its ability to understand context and generate human-like responses, making it useful for almost anything you can think of. Millions of users rely on it daily because it saves time and boosts productivity in ways that weren't possible before. Next, we have Google Gemini, another major player in the AI space. Gemini is deeply integrated into Google's ecosystem, meaning it works seamlessly with tools like Gmail, Docs, and Sheets. Imagine writing emails automatically, summarizing long documents in seconds, or analyzing data without touching a single formula. That's what Gemini brings to the table. It's especially useful for professionals who already use Google tools in their daily workflow. Then comes Microsoft Copilot, which is revolutionizing productivity in a similar way but inside Microsoft Office. Copilot can create PowerPoint presentations, analyze Excel data, write documents, and even summarize meetings. It essentially turns your everyday Office apps into intelligent assistants. Businesses are rapidly adopting it because it reduces workload and increases efficiency across teams. Now, let's talk about creativity. If you're into design or content creation, Midjourney is one of the most powerful AI image generators available today. You simply type what you want, and it creates stunning, high-quality images within seconds. From social media graphics to thumbnails and digital art, Midjourney has become a go-to tool for creators who want professional results without needing advanced design skills. Another creative tool worth mentioning is DALL-E. Similar to Midjourney, it generates images from text prompts, but it's known for its accuracy and ability to understand detailed instructions. This makes it perfect for marketers, bloggers, and anyone who needs custom visuals quickly. When it comes to video creation, Runway ML is leading the charge. This tool allows you to generate and edit videos using AI. You can create scenes from text, apply effects automatically, and even remove backgrounds without complex editing software. For content creators and filmmakers, this is a game changer because it drastically reduces production time while maintaining high quality. Another rising tool in the video space is Pika Labs. It focuses on short-form video generation, making it perfect for platforms like TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts. As short-form content continues to dominate the internet, tools like Pika Labs are becoming essential for creators who want to stay ahead. Now let's move to voice and audio. 11 Labs is one of the most advanced AI voice tools available today. It can generate realistic human-like voices and even clone voices with incredible accuracy. This is perfect for YouTube creators, podcasters, and businesses that need voiceovers without hiring voice actors. The quality is so good that it's often hard to tell whether it's AI or a real person. For writing and marketing, Jasper AI is another powerful tool. It's designed specifically for content creation. It's helping users generate blog posts, ads, emails, and social media content. What makes Jasper unique is its ability to maintain a consistent tone and style, which is crucial for brands. Businesses use it to scale their content production without sacrificing quality. If research is your focus, then Perplexity AI is a must-have tool. Unlike traditional AI chatbots, Perplexity provides answers with real-time information and citations. This makes it extremely useful for students, researchers, and professionals who need accurate and reliable information quickly. Another category where AI is making a huge impact is coding. Tools like AI coding assistants can now write, debug, and optimize code. OpenAI's Codex, for example, can handle complex programming tasks and even review codebases. This means developers can build software faster and more efficiently than ever before. For design and presentations, Canva AI is a tool that combines simplicity with power. You can create professional designs, presentations, and social media posts using AI-generated templates and suggestions. It's perfect for beginners and professionals alike because it removes the need for advanced design skills. Another useful tool is Notion AI, which enhances productivity by helping you write notes, summarize information, and organize tasks. It turns your workspace into an intelligent system that helps you think and work more efficiently. What's interesting is that most people don't use all these tools. Instead, they build a small stack of 3 to 5 tools that fit their workflow. For example, someone might use ChatGPT for writing, Midjourney for images, Runway for videos, and 11 Labs for voice. This combination alone can replace an entire production team. AI tools are no longer just optional, they're becoming essential. Businesses are using them to automate processes. Creators are using them to produce content faster, and individuals are using them to learn and grow. In fact, AI tools are now powering a large percentage of modern workflows across industries, showing just how important they've become. But that's the most important part. The real power of AI tools doesn't come from using one tool, it comes from combining them. When you connect writing, design, video, and automation tools together, you create a system that multiplies your productivity. And this is just the beginning. AI is evolving rapidly, and new tools are being released constantly. The tools we talked about today are just the ones you can use right now, but the future will bring even more powerful and advanced systems. So if you're not using AI yet, now is the time to start. Pick 1 or 2 tools, learn how they work, and slowly build your workflow. Because in the world we're moving into, those who know how to use AI won't just keep up, they'll stay ahead. The question is no longer whether AI will change your life. It already is. The real question is, are you using it to your advantage, or are you getting left behind?